Are you ready? Okay. Yeah. Keep leaving her behind. Alright, I gotta slow down. Hybrid. VTEC. Race car. Alright. Love you. Jules, why are you like doing pulls? You're really loud. Like, don't you hear my record? It's so quiet. It's nice and quiet.
Still recording? How was the drive?
It was fun.
How was your little burnout?
It was fun. I blamed you for it in the video.
Yeah,
I was like, Jules, I went to neutral and it's just stupid quiet, and I'm like, Jules, why are you doing pulls? Like, you know your shit's loud, why are you doing pulls? And I'm just like quietly coasting down.
What's up, guys? So Kay finished up the vacuuming. Kay is planning on steam cleaning some areas of the SI. I was just gonna show you guys what I'm doing, which I'm currently just changing the weather strip on my car. Yeah, guys, so I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing really quickly on the side. Kay came in and took the old weather strip seal off. This is what the area looks like right now. So I'm just gonna wipe it before I put the new one on. So that's as good as it's gonna get with me. Okay, guys. Could you just do it for me again?
Yeah. You got the other side?
Yeah.
You need me to take it off for you?
Probably. I haven't tried it myself. Do you think it's easy enough for me to do it myself? Did you say no?
No. That's what I said, no.
So I'm just tucking that under. So I just finished changing the weather strip on my car. Well, actually, I guess Kay did. I really only cleaned it, but I got the right side done.
So I finished steam cleaning most of the interior on the car. It's really coming back to life to the way it used to be. Next step, I'm pretty much gonna grab some chemical guys interior clean and kind of saturate spots and wipe it down from there, and then steam clean the door jambs before we do an exterior wash.
So did you steam clean all that?
Yeah, all of it, the whole dashboard. It looks way better, but with the coating, it's gonna look even better. This is a spot I missed.
Let's see it in action. So it's been like an hour or two since the last clip. Kay finished steam cleaning, and what else did you do? Do you want to tell the camera?
So I did a 3-step interior clean, where on the interior we steam cleaned the interior, then I used chemical guys interior cleaner and brushed it and scrubbed it all, and then after that I took some Meguiar's UV protectant and I put that all over the panels and the dashboard, and it came out a lot better than how it was with all the dirt and dust and shit.
And right now he's washing his wheels and I'm just rinsing. I'll show you guys the dirty one. This is the last dirty one. Hella dirty. Look at that beautiful sun, guys. So we just foam cannoned it.